Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Polish Pickup is live, and today I'll be sharing Glisten Glow's contribution for April 2022. The theme for this month is the periodic table, and Glisten Glow's contribution is a fun flaky polish called Minty Fresh plus their glitter grabber. Both of these items will be available at polishpickup.com and only until April 4th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Minty Fresh is described as a white-based crelly loaded with mint and blue metallic flakes. It's inspired by the element fluorine and its use in toothpaste, and just like the maker Jill, I'm also huge into dental care, so just a little fun fact about fluoride toothpaste. Fluoride helps remineralize tooth enamel and forms a structure called fluorapatite, which is more resistant to decay and demineralization. But back to the polish, I applied 3 thin coats and it's such a fun polish. The base polish builds up to a beautiful pale blue shade, and the blue and mint metallic flakies totally reminds me of those toothpastes that have those little mint strips in them. I applied a layer of Glisten Glow's top coat for a super glossy finish, so here are 3 coats of Minty Fresh. This polish also looks beautiful in a matte finish, so here it is with Glisten Glow's matte top coat. And here's a comparison between the matte and glossy swatches of Minty Fresh. Keeping with the dental care theme, I wanted to share a little nail art design as well, and I stamped this tooth with a black stamping polish, filled it in with a white polish, and then I stamped that onto my ring fingernail as a little nail art accent. For my other nails, I stamped this sparkle image from a different stamping plate with a black stamping polish, and I stamped that onto different corners of my other nails. Finished with a glossy top coat, and here is the finished design. Glisten Glow is also going to be offering their popular glitter grabber for April's Indie Pickup, which is a glitter smoothing polish that helps smooth out any texture from glitters, and it's applied after the polish and before the top coat. I have a full review of the glitter grabber and a comparison to regular top coat, which I'll leave linked below, but as a quick demo, I applied a couple coats of Glisten Glow's I'll Stand By You, which is a chunky glitter polish from the Love Songs Trio Volume 2 collection. You can see how textured these chunky glitters are when the polish dries, and so I first applied a layer of the glitter grabber and then a coat of the Glisten Glow top coat. On the left is the polish on its own, and on the right is with 1 coat of the glitter grabber and top coat. So that's all for today's video. Again, both Minty Fresh and the glitter grabber are available at polishpickup.com and only until April 4th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The price for Minty Fresh is $13 and the price for the glitter grabber is $8, and there is no cap for either. I'll leave a link below to the Polish Pickup shop as well as my other Glisten Glow swatch videos. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!